All right, we're working with inheritance in this program. You're going to need 4 different classes. You'll need your main class, your customer class, which is a superclass, then commercial will extend customer, and you'll have a residential class, which will also extend customer. I'm just going to demonstrate the commercial one. The other one will work pretty much the same. So you've worked with menus before. You should be able to check and see if they've entered a valid number and use a switch case statement and call methods to call your commercial or residential classes. You're going to need to use the scanner class to get input, and you want to use the next line object so you get a whole line so that it doesn't blow up if you put in a space. So we can put in like Acme residential and it's not going to blow up on us. We're going to put in the customer phone number. We're going to put in the address. And for the square footage, I did notice that I had a problem when I was using the next double. So I brought it in as a string, then used a parse double to convert it. And for the multi-property discount, if it starts with the letter T, true, uppercase, lowercase, it's just comparing that first letter, and then we set a Boolean to true to make it a little bit easier to format. So you should be using number formatting to properly put this at, to look like currency, where you're putting in commas if every 3 points you're having 2 places after the decimal place, and this is what I'm expecting from you. So you'll need a total of 4 classes. Use the scanner next line. I'll actually show you how I did the input there because I fought with that a little bit. So I'm using scanner next line for everything, and then I'm doing a parse double here, and I'm also just getting a substring to equal either lowercase or uppercase t's. There's other ways to do that. And then I call my calculate charges from customers. And so the residential should also have a calculate charges, and that's sort of how it's going to work. We're really looking at the inheritance here. But those are all the pieces to put it together to have a good, solid working program.